Here's a complete step-by-step guide to fix the printer error. Documents waiting issue on Windows and Mac. This error usually means the print queue is stuck and blocking new jobs. 1. Cancel all stuck print jobs. Most important step. Windows. 1. Press Windows plus R2. Type Control Printers. 3. Press Enter. 4. Right-click your printer. See what's printing. 5. Click Printer, top menu, cancel all documents. 6. Restart your computer and printer. Mac. 1. Go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. 2. Select your printer. 3. Click Open Print Queue. 4. Click X next to all stuck jobs. 5. Restart Mac and printer. 2. Restart the print spooler. Service fixes 80% of errors. Windows only. 1. Press Windows plus R2. Type services.msc. 3. Find print spooler. 4. Right-click Restart. 5. Try printing again. 3. Set printer as default. Windows. 1. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices, Printers, and Scanners. 2. Select your printer. 3. Click Set as default. Mac. 1. Go to Printers and Scanners. 2. Set your printer as default printer. 4. Clear the print spooler folder. Advanced fix. Windows Advanced Method. 1. Press Windows plus R2. Type 1. %, Winder%, System32 spool. Print. Delete all files inside this folder. 4. Restart print spooler from services. 5. Restart your PC. 5. Reinstall the printer driver. If the issue keeps returning, your driver may be corrupted. Steps. 1. Remove the printer from O Settings, Printers, and Scanners. 2. Download latest driver from manufacturer website. O HP Canon Epson Brother Zebra. 3. Reinstall and restart system. 6. Check USB Wi-Fi connection. Try a different USB port or cable. Restart router for wireless printers. Make sure your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC. 7. Turn off, use printer offline. Windows. 1. Open devices and printers. 2. Right-click your printer. 3. Click See what's printing. 4. Click Printer. 5. Uncheck Use Printer Offline. Common causes of documents waiting error. Solution. Stuck print job. Clear print queue. Printer offline. Set printer online. Corrupted driver. Reinstall driver. Network issue. Restart router. Print spooler crash. Restart service. If you tell me your printer brand and model, are you using Windows or Mac? I'll give you a model-specific exact fix step by step.